Today we're going to show you how to play a game called Capture 5. I've got the directions right here so you can pause it and look through it if you would like to, but we're also going to just take you through the game ourselves and play a couple turns so you can really see how it's played. So there's a stack of cards that we have on the table. I know you can't really see them, but what we've each done is we've taken the top 5 cards for each of us and we've written them on the board. There are 12 chips along the hundreds board, and the object of the game is to capture the chips. And the more chips you capture, the better you're doing. Miss Gillespie is going to be number 1, and I am going to be number 2. I'm going to let her start, so she's going to decide what card she can use to try to move her man to capture a certain chip, and then she's going to write the equation down on her paper. And then it'll be my turn because she can only capture 1 chip at a time.
Okay, I see that I am on number 42. So I'm going to start out in my equation with 42. I'm going to look at what I have. Plus 30, plus 2, plus 10, plus 1, minus 10. I am going to use plus 30. 10, 20, 30. And plus 10. And the plus 1. That puts me on 83. That is a chip. So I have captured 1 chip. 42 plus 30 plus 10 plus 1 equals 83. That's where my marker landed.
And now that she has used those 3 cards, she would discard them in the discard pile, and she would actually draw 3 new cards. And as she is drawing 3 new cards, I will go ahead and look to see what move I want to make. So I am here, and I see that, oh wait a minute. Okay, that was you. This was me. I'm sorry. Okay, I am here. So looking at my cards, I could do a plus 20, and I could get this chip. I could do minus 20. I could get this chip. I could do minus 2 and then minus 10 to get that chip. So some of this involves strategy. You kind of have to think about, what do you want to do? Do you want to get rid of only 1 card? Do you not like your cards and want to get rid of more than 1? I would personally rather have more positive cards because sometimes it's easier to think about. So I am going to do the minus 2 and then minus 10. So I'm starting at 77. And if I go minus 2, and then minus 10, I get to capture this chip right here. And that leaves me at 65. I used 2 of my cards. Now I'm going to get 2 more cards and then let her go.
Okay, I am on 83 now. So the first thing I'm writing up here is 83. And I think I will just use the minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I don't have a minus 1, so I am stopping there on my turn. 83 minus 3 equals 80.
And I'm glad that happened because it just goes to show you don't have to capture a chip every time. You're just trying to if you can. So now it's my turn again, and I can capture a chip. I could, the one I'm seeing right off the bat is go minus 1. And then my minus 20. Which means I get this one. And that gets me to 44. So there are 2 turns that we just each took, and that should give you a pretty good idea of how Capture 5 is played.